What if the first human who will live forever is already alive today? Not in 1,000 years. Not in some distant science fiction future. Right now. Across the world, scientists are quietly developing technologies that could stop aging, repair the human body, and even transfer the human mind beyond biology. The idea of immortality has haunted humanity for thousands of years. But for the first time in history, it may no longer belong to mythology. It may belong to science. Part 1: The War Against Aging. For most of human history, death was seen as inevitable. Aging was simply something that happened. But modern biology has revealed a shocking truth. Aging is not a fixed law of nature. It is a biological process, one that may be slowed, stopped, or even reversed. Scientists studying genetics discovered that certain animals barely age at all. One of the most famous examples is the Hydra vulgaris. This tiny organism can continuously regenerate its cells, effectively avoiding aging entirely. Even more remarkable is the so-called immortal jellyfish. The species Turritopsis dohrnii can reverse its life cycle, transforming from an adult back into a juvenile form. In other words, can biologically start its life again. Scientists now believe similar regenerative processes may exist, hidden deep within human biology. Part 2: Reprogramming the human body. One of the most exciting discoveries came from Nobel Prize-winning work on cellular reprogramming. In 2012, scientists proved that adult human cells can be reprogrammed into younger cells. This discovery, pioneered by Shinya Yamanaka, created what are now called Yamanaka factors. These molecules can essentially reset a cell's biological clock. Imagine being able to turn an old cell into a young one again. In laboratory experiments, scientists have already reversed signs of aging in mice. Old mice regained younger muscles, sharper vision, and improved brain function. If this technology works in humans, it could mean something revolutionary. Aging itself could become a treatable medical condition. And once aging is controlled, death from aging might disappear. Part 3: Replacing the human body. But what if the body fails anyway? Technology offers another possibility: replacement. Scientists are already growing organs in laboratories. Using stem cells and 3D bioprinting, researchers are developing lab-grown hearts, kidneys, and even brain tissue. Companies like Organovo are working on printing functional human tissue layer by layer. Concept is simple. If a body part fails, replace it. Heart fails, print a new one. Kidney fails, grow a replacement. Eventually, some futurists believe humans could replace almost every organ in the body. Except one. The brain. Part 4: Uploading the human mind. And that leads to perhaps the most controversial idea of all: mind uploading. Some scientists believe that consciousness could one day be digitally mapped and transferred. Companies like Neuralink are already developing brain-computer interfaces that connect neurons directly to machines. Today, these devices help paralyzed patients move robotic limbs. But tomorrow, they might allow something unimaginable: a direct bridge between the human brain and artificial intelligence. The structure of the brain could be fully mapped. Person's memories, personality, and consciousness might be preserved digitally. Not biological immortality, but digital immortality. Part 5: Cryonics. Freezing time. There is also another strange path toward eternal life: cryonics. Some people have chosen to have their bodies preserved immediately after death in extremely cold temperatures. The idea is simple: freeze the body now, and revive it in the future when technology becomes advanced enough to repair the damage. Organizations like Alcor Life Extension Foundation have already preserved dozens of people this way. They are waiting for a future where death may no longer be permanent. Final twist, but here is the most fascinating part of all: none of these technologies exist in isolation. They are advancing simultaneously. Gene therapy, AI-driven medicine, regenerative biology, brain-computer interfaces. Every year, the speed of innovation increases. Some scientists believe that if a person can live long enough, just another 30 or 40 years, they may reach something called longevity escape velocity, point where medical technology extends life faster than aging can shorten it. In other words, science may soon outrun death, ending for thousands of years humanity searched for the fountain of youth. Kings, explorers, and alchemists all failed. But the answer may not be hidden in a mythical spring. It may be hidden in laboratories. And if current technologies continue to advance, the first immortal human may not be a legend. They may already be alive. Right now, viral thumbnail concept, text on thumbnail. Live forever? Visual elements. Half human face, half robotic face, DNA strand, glowing brain connected to computer, futuristic blue lighting, emotion.